And very warm welcome to everyone. This is Anand Varma, and today we will study about some abbreviation and try to learn them. So, come to ICR's official website by typing icar.org.in. Okay, now open the home page of Indian Council of Agriculture. Okay, now this is the official website. Okay, now the different research institute and agriculture university, there is a two section. In the research institute, you will have five options. First is deemed universities. Second is institutions, directors, directorates, project directors, national bureaus, which is six in number, national research centers. And here you can see agriculture universities. You can see central agricultural universities, deemed universities, and state agricultural universities. So this is the most specific and liable data. So let's open very first National Bureau. So as I said, six National Bureau under ICR. Very first is National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, New Delhi. It means NBPGR. National Bureau of Agriculturally Important Microorganism, Mau, Uttar Pradesh. National Bureau of Agriculture Insect Research is in Bangalore. National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning, Nagpur. NBSSLP. Okay, now National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, Karnal, Haryana. National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources, Lucknow. Okay, now Plant Genetic Resources is in New Delhi. Agriculture Important Microorganism is in Mau. Agriculturally Insect Resources is in Bangalore. Soil Survey and Land Use Planning is in Nagpur. Animal Genetic Resources is in Karnal, Haryana. And Fish Genetic Resources is in Lucknow. Now, these were the national bureaus under ICR. Now come to the home. National bureaus have to be learned by the students. Now come to the deemed universities. There are four deemed universities in India. Very first is Indian Agriculture Research Institute, which is IARI. It is in New Delhi. And then NDRI, National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal, Haryana. IVRI, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Nagar, Bareilly. And Central Institute of Fisheries Education is in Mumbai. It means CIFE. Okay, there are four deemed universities. There are six national bureaus. Come to the home. Here. Now come to the institution, which is 68 in number. Oh, sorry, 60. ICR, Central Island Agricultural Institute, Port Blair, Central Arid Zone Research Institute, Jodhpur, because Jodhpur is an arid region, and so Central Arid Zone Research Institute has been established in Jodhpur. Okay, then Central Avian Research Institute, it means it will study about the birds, Nagar, Bareilly, and if you remembered, then Central IVRI, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, is also in Nagar. So, Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute is in Barrackpur. Central Institute of Brackish Water Aquaculture is in Chennai. Central Institute for Research on Buffaloes, Hisar. National Dairy Research Institute is in Karnal, Haryana. Central Institute for Research on Goat, Makhdoom, Mathura. Okay, Central Institute of Agricultural Engineering is in Bhopal. Central Institute of Arid Horticulture is in Bikaner. Bikaner is a district of Rajasthan. So, Central Institute of Cotton Research is in Nagpur. Central Institute of Fisheries Technology is in Kochi, where another fisheries Education was established in Mumbai. You have already read about it. Now, Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture is in Bhubaneswar. Central Institute of Research on Cotton Technology is in Mumbai. Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture is in Lucknow. Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture is in Srinagar. Srinagar is a cold region, so temperate horticulture can be studied in Srinagar. It can't be studied from Tamil Nadu, Kerala, or any other state of the country. So Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute is in Kochi because it is a coastal area, so you can study about marine fisheries sciences. And here, number 18, Central Plantation Crop Research Institute is in Kasaragod. Central Potato Research Institute, Simla, most important question. Central Research Institute for Jute and Elite Fibers, Barakpur. Central Research Institute of Dryland Agriculture, Hyderabad. National Rice Research Institute, Cuttack, Odisha. Central Sheep and Wool Research Institute, Rajasthan. Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation is Dehradun. Central Soil Salinity Research Institute is in Karnal, Haryana, where NDRI was also in Karnal, Haryana. Central Bio Research Institute, most important, Rajmundry. Central Tuber Crop Research Institute, ICR Research Complex for Eastern Region is in Patna. ICR Research Complex for Northeastern Hill Region is in Barapani. Central Coastal Agricultural Research Institute is in Old Goa. Coastal Agriculture Research Institute, Goa is a beach area, so you can study about coastal agriculture research type programs at that location. India number 31. Indian Agricultural Static Research Institute, one of the second most question. This is in Delhi. IASRI, Indian Agricultural Static Research Institute. Now 32, Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute. Indian Institute of Agricultural Biotechnology is in Ranchi. Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, Bangalore. National Institute of Secondary Agriculture is in Ranchi. So here, Indian Institute of Agricultural Biotechnology is in Ranchi, and National Institute of Secondary Agriculture is also in Ranchi. Indian Institute of Pulse Research, Indian Institute of Soil Science, Bhopal, where agricultural engineering was in also Bhopal. Indian Institute of Spices Research, Kaligrat. Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research in Lucknow, sorry. Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research, it is most important. Indian Institute of Vegetable Research is in Banaras. National Academy of Agriculture Research and Management is in Hyderabad. National Institute of Biotic Stress Management. National Institute of Abiotic Stress Management in Maharashtra. National Institute of Animal Nutrition and Psychology is in Bangalore. ICR National Institute, there is a printing mistake. ICR Institute of Natural Fiber Engineering and Technology in Kolkata, where the Jute and Elite Fiber Research Institute is also in Barakpur. So here, National Institute of Veterinary Epidemiology and Disease Informatics, Hebbal, Bangalore. Sugarcane Breeding Institute is in Coimbatore. Except this, every research institute related to sugarcane is in Lucknow. Vivekanand Pravatiya Krishi Anusandhan Sansthan is in Almora. Central Institute for Research on Cattle is in Meerut. National Institute of High Security Animal Diseases is in Bhopal. Indian Institute of Maize Research is in Ludhiana. Central Agroforestry Research Institute is in Jhansi because most of the area of the Jhansi region belongs to or cover off with forests. So, with number 53, ICR National Institute of Agricultural Economics and Policy Research is in Delhi. Indian Institute of Wheat and Barley Research is in Karnal. Indian Institute of Farming System Research, Modipuram. Indian Institute of Millet Research, where the farming system research is in Modipuram and millet research is in Hyderabad. Indian Institute of Oilseed Research is in Hyderabad, so millet and oilseed belongs to the Hyderabad. Okay. Indian Institute of Oil Palm Research, West Godavari. Indian Institute of Water Management is in Bhubaneswar. Indian Institute of Rice Research Institute, Hyderabad. Where Rice Research Institute, another was in IRRI, Indian Rice Research Institute, was in Cuttack, Odisha. Where Indian Institute of Rice Research is in Hyderabad. So it is hard to distinguish between both of the things. Okay. In the ICR Central Institute for Women in Agriculture, most important, Bhubaneswar. Central Citrus Research Institute is in Nagpur. Where Cotton Research Institute was also in Nagpur. Indian Institute of Seed Research is in Mau, where agriculturally important microorganism belongs to National Bureau of Agriculturally Important Microorganism also belongs to the Mau. Okay, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, Jharkhand. Indian Agricultural Research Institute, IARI, Jharkhand. It may be a District 4 institutes. Yeah. Okay, now come to the home point. So, directories and project directors. So, there are 30 project directors to ICR, direct of grounded research Junagadh. So, you have to study or learn about project directorates crop wise. So, directorates of soybean, Indore. Rapeseed and mustard research, Bharatpur. Mushroom, Solan. Onion garlic, Pune. Cashew, Puttur. Medicinal and aromatic research, Anand. Floriculture research, Maharashtra. Weed, Jabalpur. Food and mouth moth disease. No, foot and mouth diseases. Mukteswar. Poultry, Hyderabad. Knowledge Project Director of Knowledge Management in Agriculture, DKMA, is in New Delhi. Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research, Bhimtal, Nainital. So these were project directorates under very large is National Research Center, most probably is 15 in number. So here, ICR National Research Center for Banana is in Trichy, grapes Pune, lychee Muzaffar, pomegranate Solapur, camel Bikaner, equinus Hisar, meat Hyderabad, mutton Nagaland, orchid Sikkim, pig Guwahati, plant technology is Delhi, seed spices Ajmer, yak West Kemak, National Center for Integrated Pest Management is in New Delhi, National Research Center on Integrated Farming is in Motihari, Bihar. So you cannot yak. You go to the easy to remember. And was okay now to the agri industry. Whatever has been prescribed under the ICR official website. Central Agriculture University. There are agriculture institute listed in ICR website. So Central Agriculture University, Manipur, Imphal. This is Imphal in Manipur. And Rani Lakshmibai Central Agriculture University, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. Rajendra Prasad Central Agriculture University, Pusa, Samastipur. Okay, now come to the next point. Deemed university. So there are four deemed universities listed in ICR, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi, NDRI, National Research Institute, Karnal, Haryana, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Ijatnagar, Bareilly, and the Central Institute on Fisheries Education. This is in Mumbai. So, no, sorry. So, he deemed university and Central Agriculture University, the stadium. There are several number of agricultural institutes which belongs to the state. So you can study about Andhra Pradesh has three agricultural institutes, Assam has one. Assam Agricultural Institute Jorhat, you can study it separately. So you can visit this website and study or learn about these institutions separately one by one by pressing that link. So uh, that's all. Thank you so much. Have a good day.